Hey folks, Daniel here from PwnCNC, and welcome to the first official level set in the Dominator Pro build series. If you're assembling your Dominator Pro at home, this is where your journey begins, and it's an exciting one. This level set covers the foundation of the machine, and we're walking through everything you should have completed by page 23 of the assembly manual. By this point, your Dominator Pro should look like this. The bed extrusions are installed, tightened, and squared. The bed is attached on top of the legs, which are rock solid, if you opted for the legs kit. Both Y-axis linear rails are installed, but slightly loose. The Y ball screws are mounted, also slightly loose. The rear Y plates are bolted on and torqued. The front Y plates are on, but slightly loose. This is the mechanical foundation. Everything else builds on top of this. Stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'll include a raw and uncut version of our machine walkthrough. But before we go further, let me tell you a bit about why this machine is what it is. Over the years, I've personally built more than 20 different hobby CNC machines. Each one taught me something, from motion planning and structural rigidity to electrical layout, signal noise, even software compatibility. I've learned what works, what doesn't, and most importantly, what's worth it when you're building a machine that has to perform day in and day out. All of that experience has gone into the Dominator Pro. This isn't just a product we sell. This is a machine I designed to be my personal retirement CNC. It's the one I'll be using here at home for years to come. So we pulled out all of the stops. No expense was spared, no corners cut, just rock solid performance with real upgrade paths. If something is on this machine, it's because I wanted it on my machine. Now, back to your build. At this stage, you want to make sure the machine is level and sitting flat, rails are positioned straight and even, but you don't need to torque everything down just yet. Ball screws rotate smoothly by hand. Bearing blocks glide without any resistance. It's all about prep and alignment and confirming fitment before we start adding the gantry and motion components. And if you're like me, you've probably noticed a few nice touches in the process already. Clearly defined assembly manual with tons of detail. Labeled hardware bags for each component on the machine. Thick extrusions and heavy-duty aluminum plates. It's already incredibly rigid, even at this stage. If you're thinking this feels like a tank, you're right. In our next video, level set 2, we'll start going vertical. That means installing the gantry extrusion, mounting the gantry end plates, adding the X rails and X ball screw, and starting to discuss the wiring. That's when the Dominator Pro really starts to take shape. And I can't wait to walk you through it. So if you're all caught up to page 23, awesome work. Double check your alignment and get ready for the next phase. Thanks for building with us. And as always, don't just own your CNC, dominate it. Okay, here I am with at the level set point where I've got the legs assembled, the main machine assembled, the linear rails and ball screws for the Ys, and of course all 4 plates. I want to go over a couple of details on here that from basically the way I've got it set up here. And let me zoom out so you can see a little bit better. Okay, first up, I do want to point out that I've got all of the screws, they're all hand tightened in there. So the plate itself is still pretty loose. I do have the ball screws, even the linear rails are loose. We want to do that last. We want to tighten all that stuff down last. It's part of the refinement and the adjustment and alignment of everything. It'll make sense later. For now, I do want to point out, so I've used the 2 M8T nuts that I put into the front here, and then of course 2 along here. And the same thing over here. The plate's loose, everything's loose. I use the 2 T-nuts right here and the 2 T-nuts right here in the front. Let's see, along the side here, I'm going to put my controller on the right side. So you'll notice that I've got 2 M8 T-nuts down the side and 1 right here. This is so that if you got the legs kit, you've got this bracket. It will basically mount right here on 3 holes. These 3 nuts right there, and that'll mount it right on there. Allow us someplace to mount our Visa mount. So I went ahead and left this thing on there just so that I don't get greased constantly. I mean, I'm already covered in grease, so I wanted to leave that on there. I'll cut that off later. Make sure that you've got your couplers are oriented correctly. We've got the 4 nuts, the 4 holes pointing out. I've got that on the other side. Here it is right here. You'll notice I've also got the screws here. Got my linear rails. And of course on the back side, let me show you a little bit going on back here. So we've got our little special block here. And you'll see right here, I've got the holes, an M5 in here, which goes into the block. And then of course an M6 up here for a little extra strength going into the T-track of our extrusion. Now back here, I went ahead and took the extra, well, they're not really extra, but the M5 by 14 millimeter screws. I went ahead and put them in where I'm going to be mounting the motors. And you'll notice I've got the coupler there. You'll also notice that the Y coupler, well, it's hard to see, there you go. From this angle, you should be able to get a small hex wrench in here in order to tighten the coupler right onto the stepper motor. So there's no reason to worry about taking that off or anything like that. That's ready to go. Of course, I've also got this at hand tighten level. Although I do have the frame, the entire frame of the machine, the legs, everything has been fully tightened down. The only thing I have not tightened are basically the Y plates, the linear rails, and the ball screws. So I've also got, in anticipation of the next step, let me see, these are 7 15/16 inches tall. So these are some blocks that I'm going to use to mount my, to set my gantry right across the top, so that whenever I'm getting the gantry plates and that sort of thing prepared, it'll make that a lot easier. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little MDF on here, even if it's just temporary, just so that I can put screws and nuts and bolts and whatnot. I actually can move my work area from the old machine over to the new machine, and basically have everything right on there. All of this, you'll find I'm writing all kinds of notes, so you guys can have tons and tons of information as far as how to put this together. Yeah, and all those details. This is going to be an awesome machine. This is the machine I'm going to move over to my warehouse, to my garage, so I can do some more videos in that confined space, and I can spend more time with my family while I am doing some filming, and I can run some carbs and go inside and enjoy lunch, enjoy everybody's company, and then come back out and do a little bit more. Convenience of having a garage versus coming way down here to the shop. So for now, I'm just building this so that I can get as much of this prepared as ready to go. That is the level set for now. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Reach out to support@PwnCNC.com, and we are happy to help you with your build of the Dominator CNC machine.